Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy questions on Prodigy. To begin, understand that Prodigy uses an adaptive learning system. This means the game constantly assesses your math skills and adjusts question difficulty accordingly. If you consistently answer questions correctly, the game will present more challenging problems. Conversely, if you struggle, it will offer easier ones. We'll explore how to leverage this system to your advantage. Prodigy's adaptive system is quite sophisticated. It meticulously tracks your performance, including accuracy and the time taken to answer questions, across many different math skills. If the system detects that you are struggling with a particular concept, it will naturally present you with easier questions related to that topic. This design helps ensure that you are always working within your zone of proximal development, making learning more effective. To actively influence the difficulty, consider a few strategies. One approach is to intentionally answer a small number of questions incorrectly when you first start playing or when you enter a new math domain. This signals to the game that you might need more foundational practice. Also, concentrate on areas where you genuinely want easier questions, as the system adapts per skill. Remember, consistency over speed is key. While aiming for easier questions, remember the ultimate goal is learning. This strategy can be beneficial for building a solid foundation in math. By ensuring you master the simpler concepts, you create a strong base for tackling more complex problems later on. It allows you to practice without feeling overwhelmed, fostering a positive learning experience. Ultimately, this approach supports steady progress and increased confidence over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.